honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'm getting ready to fix some steak, broccoli, corn in my rice cookers. And I'm cooking some rice separately in another rice cooker. And I've already sous vide my steak. I wasn't ready to cook. I took it out the freezer and I wasn't ready to cook then, so I just put it in here where I don't have to watch it. It's my Hearty sous vide cooker thingamajig. And I had previously seasoned and marinated the steak and vacuum sealed it. So all these good juices in here. This steak is completely done, but I'm going to cut it into small pieces and put it in with my broccoli and corn concoction. And sous vide this at 140 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour and a half. And it's been sitting in the hot water. It's still real hot. Like I said, it's perfectly done, and I can use this juice because everything is done. Okay, let me take it out of here so I'll be able to handle it when I get ready to cut it. Oh, let me show y'all. And I bought this from Amazon. This is a lid, silicone lid, and I put it on top of my sous vide thingamajig, and I just cut a slit in it. So that will retain the hot water, keep it from evaporating. And this is the inner pot to my Instant Pot. So you can use any pot that is deep enough for your sous vide machine. This is actually called an immersion cooker. And it clips onto the side of the pot. See, that's how it clips on. And it has controls on the top. I can set the temperature and the time. It has a minimum and a maximum line. Okay. And it has a motor in it that circulates the water as it heats the water. So it keeps the water at a constant temperature. Okay, I'll deal with this later. I'm going to let this sit and cool a while I fix my other stuff. I got this kind of full of stuff. I'm going to burn my hands. So, I'll be using both rice cookers. They're both aroma rice cookers. Plug. And I'd rather do gadget cooking than to actually cook in a pot on the stove. This is my preference. In case y'all wonder, well, how come you cooking like that? I want to. Okay, which one I'm gonna use for this? I'm gonna use this one for my rice. I've already rinsed off my rice, poured all that starchy water off. This is 2 cups of rinsed rice and 4 cups of water. Got this water from my fountain because I don't use my tap water. I don't cook with it. Let me get all this rice out of here. Supposed to use double the amount of rice. Water as rice. Okay. I'll put some turmeric in my rice. Ground turmeric. Because I like yellow looking rice. And I'm going to put some oil in it to keep it from foaming up. I think I'll put some black pepper in it too. This is olive oil in my Evo olive sprayer. Where's the pepper? Where's the pepper? Black pepper. I just like it like this. Okay. Now, turn it on. And I'm setting it on the white rice setting right there. So I'm going to let it do what it does. You can sit back there. Okay, now I'm going to get started with this other stuff. Okay. I'm going to put my broccoli in here because the steak is done. This broccoli I'm using hand-picked broccoli florets. Even though I don't have a problem with the broccoli cuts with the stems, because I like that too. These do look better though. Look at that. This one's hiding in the bag. Okay. It's gonna have to cook down some. This pot is full already. And I let this bag of broccoli sit out so it can kind of defrost so it don't take so long for the food to get done. And put this whole can of corn in here. This is something people don't usually put in the broccoli and beef or broccoli and chicken meals. But I'm going to pour this water off the corn because I got that juice. Let me see if that's enough juice. You got to have juice. I'll just put it all in here. So I like this bright pop of color up in here because I like corn. And put in the cream of chicken soup. It's going to make a nice thick gravy. You get a spoon, just a minute. You put this cream of chicken soup in here. Just dump it. Okay. What am I supposed to be doing? I'm going to season it. Got to have the black pepper. I'm going to use some onion powder. Well, good. Garlic powder. This has granulated garlic. Oh, that's a lot. Soy sauce. This is the less sodium soy sauce. So right now I'm not adding any salt. Wait till it cooks down some. And then I'll taste it to see what it needs. This is salty, and so is the cream of chicken soup. So let me get all this junk out my way. Get a plate. Okay, I put this in a my stainless steel bowl, which I love. Okay, I might as well turn this on right now. Where's the on? Right here. And I'm going to put it on the risotto setting. Okay. So this can be cooking some. I'm going to open this bag where this cooked steak is. Like I said, it's already done. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a cooked steak. I'm going to pour this juice in here. Y'all see what I'm doing? Perfectly cooked steak. Oh my, nice and tender. Okay, I'm gonna cut it. It's done, y'all. I want no fat. So I'm going to cut this whole steak up, and then I'll be back. Try not to cut no fat. Well, some fat is okay. This is really, really tender. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm through cutting up that steak. So everything in here. Got the broccoli, corn, the soup, and the seasonings. It's already cooked. And I'm glad I thought of the frozen broccoli. So the juice just has to heat up, and then it's done. Like I said, the meat is already done. I'm going to taste a piece of the meat. It was already seasoned before I froze it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is going to be some good, whatever you call this stuff. Okay. Don't want to tear up the broccoli. I'm going to let this good and hot and heat it through and through. Let me see what this rice is doing. Nothing yet. Okay, y'all. I will be back. This steak is so tender. Seasoned and tender. Bye. Okay, y'all. My food is done. I almost missed my grandkids' virtual graduation they had. I missed my grandson. But somebody else got a screenshot of him. Then his name is Devin Burks. We call him Deuce. Then I was in there in time to see Kalia Ford. Her picture. I prefer a virtual graduation than going down there and all the hoopla and rigmarole crowd. Okay, I'm here for the food. This is bubbling. Rice is done. I'm gonna dip up my food, y'all. Walter said he didn't want none of this nasty stuff, right? What, man? You don't want none? I was playing. This dude. Okay. I'm going to cook all this. I want some of these broccolis up in here. I don't eat them often. This juice. A lot of steak. Wow. That's enough to taste. One more broccoli. Just one little piece. That one. Turn this off. Didn't have to heat up my house. Because this don't throw off no heat. I'm going to turn this off completely. And plug both of them. This. This is my steak and broccoli and corn and rice concoction. I don't even know what you call it. I'm going to taste this. Hot. I got this hot pot of food. I'm going to enjoy it too. Needs a little salt. You know what I'm going to do? Put some soy sauce. No sodium. Okay, that's good. Let's do this one more again. Okay. I did the trick. Everything goes well together. And season good. I like a lot of juice in my soups and concoctions. And I got it. So this is my thumbnail. And I didn't cook my broccoli to death. This is some good stuff, y'all. Okay. I'm so hot. Got the air on, but I'm hot. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Bye. Here are both of my rice cookers that my meal is cooked in. Okay, I'm going for real now. Bye.